Hello everyone, thank you for joining us. In this video, you'll be hearing about our Capstone project, SpiceTrack, what it is, how it's built, why it's built, and also our strategy for the future. To start this presentation, I would like to read a quote by Steve Barry. Preserving our heritage is a vital link to our cultural, educational, aesthetic, inspirational, and economic legacies. All of the things that quite literally make us who we are. And this brings us to our goal, which is to preserve cultural heritage, boost local economies, and promote public health awareness. But first, maybe you are wondering why spices. Well, the first reason is because spice is a part of Indonesia's richness. A big part of spices in the world can be found in Indonesia, and the abundance of spice and herbs in Indonesia also plays a big part in our economy. The average annual export value of spices from 2016 to 2020 was approximately 589 million US dollars. And not only that, spices are also a big part of our history. Years ago, people from around the world came to us for our spices.
Apple first, spice identification, AI-based image recognition for accurate space identification, accurate content, insight into health benefits, cultural significance, and culinary uses. Next, why SpiceTrack, building on the earlier discussion about the historical, economic, and cultural importance of Indonesian spices. SpiceTrack addresses this aspect by focusing on three case areas: preservation, safeguarding Indonesian spice heritage, cultural significance, educating users about spice in Indonesian society, economic boost to support local economic. So, this vision spice delivers groundbreaking innovation, as highlighted in this slide. Automated spice recognition using AI, interactive and accessible learning platform, scalable cloud technology for high performance, accurate machine learning models, mobile-friendly Android application.
For the text overview or machine learning using Python, TensorFlow, and CNN for the algorithm. And for the mobile development, we use Figma for design, Material Design 3 as UI design equivalent, Grid for efficient image loading, and Retrofit for AVI. Lastly, for your cloud computing, we use Node.js with Express for the backend. User will access the app from their device, then API request from user will be forwarded to our backend server deployed on App Engine connected to our Cloud SQL. We also use cloud storage for your image while the machine learning model, if else, is deployed on Cloud Run. All the code are available for developer via or GitHub.
For the machine learning deployment, we use TensorFlow to build multi-class image classification and fine-tuning it to improve accuracy. Also, we use checkpoint to secure model during the runtime and saving fixed model with a good accuracy.
For mobile deployment, use XML layout design, implements tutorial UR design for a clear separation between design and logic, and we use Glide for simplest loading and displaying image for URLs, and we use Retrofit 2 for connect the application to the code-based APIs.
Now, we'll see how the app works. When you open the app, you'll see a splash screen. After clicking Get Started, you'll go to the home page of the app. Here, you can see various spices available in our database. Now we'll try the image recognition feature. Click the scan button on the top right corner. You can take a picture or select from gallery. Here, we selected a picture of white pepper. Click the upload button, wait a few seconds, and you'll be redirected. And as you can see, the ML model has successfully identified the picture as Lada or white pepper. We'll try again with a different picture. We'll try Kunyit or curcuma this time. As you can see, the model is once again successful.
Our team uses GitHub to centralize all projects on code, ensuring collaboration and per-profession control access it. Link GitHub SpiceTrack. The repository has three main sections. For the first, mobile SpiceTrack, mobile app code for seamless Android development. Backend SpiceTrack for manage server-side function, API, and code computing. For the last, machine learning SpiceTrack for AI models for spice recognition. Our target market is different yet focused on individuals passionate about horticulture and food. For the age range, around 18 until 45 years old, tech-savvy and health conscious, and the profession and culinary enthusiasts, chefs, students, and small food business owner, interested with Indonesian culture, traditional cuisine, and healthy living, who is hobby in cooking, exploring markets, and learning about health.
And then Business Canvas, SpiceTrack connect local farmer community and organization using advanced technology like TensorFlow and GCP. It offers spice identification, educational content, and health insight.
For the planning, we have technological integration, highlight the use of ML and cloud computing for oversight and spice detection. This approach, like development step, local market trial to validate the solution, data launch to gather of user feedback, and global vision aiming for international expansion within 2 years. And we have a marketing strategy. First, we have social media campaign, like use Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to add persons and showcase the features of the application and provide short content about Indonesian spices. And we have a collaboration, like collaboration with chef, influencer, and health advocates to promote the application. And we have the content, like public engaging short videos and infographic about the SpiceTrack application, using the app features and highlighting the cultural and health benefit of spice.
Okay, this is our competitor. When based of the research we have done, we found that there is an application that has similar with the application we developed. This application is called Rempasis from SpiceTrack, and Rempasis different in depth, target audience, technology, and executing. While Rempasis focus on basic spice identification and UNESCO-related initiative, SpiceTrack provide comprehensive insight into spice cultural health and culinary aspect, including flavor and origin detail. SpiceTrack target is broader audience such as culinary enthusiastic and health-related advocate. Compared to Spices focus on younger user, technology SpiceTrack utilizes advanced TensorFlow-based CNS, TensorFlow Lite, and Google Cloud for high accuracy and scalability. Where Basis employ ONNX and Future for simply development professionally, SpiceTrack offers seamless API integrated and advanced feature supersede Basis student driven simply and quickly identify focus. Here is our team separated into ML, CC, and MD.
Here is roughly what our future plan is going to look like. Of course, in December, we worked in this Capstone project. The next step, in January, we'll try to figure out some funding and budgeting in order to make our project even bigger and better. In February, we'll try to improve our ML model. Our biggest obstacle was the availability of the data set, so that's where we'll start. And then in March, we'll start marketing our product to the public. And if the market is enthusiastic, hopefully we'll scale up in April, iteratively try to make our product better. And by June, we will review and evaluate. So this has been SpiceTrack. We're at the end of the presentation. I started with a quote, so I'll end it with one from our very own. Every spice is a story, every flavor a legacy. SpiceTrack team signing out. Thank you and goodbye.